Welcome back, and today I am going to be baking a cake. It's this cake mix. Okay, so first I'll be dumping in the cake mix. Then the water, 1 cup. Now I gotta go grab my other materials and I'll be right back. Now I will be adding the vegetable oil. And then 3 eggs. I gotta grab them. Here's number 1. And then number 3. Now I will mix the cake batter mix. And now I'm gonna pour the cake mix into the pan, and I'll get back with you when I'm done. Okay, I now have it inside of the pan, and I'm gonna show you real quick, then I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'll see you back after it's done baking. Hey guys, I am back, and the cake is been frosted, and so now I am gonna decorate it. So first I have this green frosting, of course, because green. So yeah, I'm gonna start decorating it, so I'm probably speed this part up. But yeah. Okay guys, I'm back, and I have a different color of, or a different shade of green this time, and so I'm gonna continue decorating. So I'm not the best at decorating cakes, but I'll tell you the cake anyway. It says smile on it, and there's a little happy face. Yeah, well, there's my cake. Thank you for watching. Bye.